Meet Ebo, your cat's new best friend. Ebo is a smart robot that will become a part of your family. Whether at home or away, Ebo gives you peace of mind that your cat is happy, healthy, and engaged. Use the app to control Ebo. See your cat through a live stream direct to your phone. And also record crystal clear 1080p video to create and share videos of your cat. Ebo is also made from cat-friendly materials, so you never have to worry about your cat touching any of Ebo's surfaces. Ebo is also pretty smart. It can not only do this, but it can also do this.
Hey, buddy.
And just like your cat, Ebo always lands on its feet. Ebo also has some pretty nifty dance moves. Use the app to edit videos, to share to social media, and create sweet GIFs. Also combined with the Ebo collar, use the app to track your cat's steps. Log their steps each day and see your cat's activity compared to global averages. Did we mention Ebo is smart? Ebo has built-in sensors for obstacle avoidance to ensure Ebo doesn't need to take any unnecessary trips to the vet. Can't get to your phone to play? Set the time you want Ebo to keep your furry friend company, and once playtime arrives, Ebo will automatically leave its dock. Ebo will do a 360-degree scan of its area, ensuring there's enough room to play. And then, well, let the good times roll. Does Ebo have style? Well, you tell me. Ebo also purrs rather than roars, so playtime never has to intrude on your favorite TV show or movie. And when playtime is over, Ebo has a return to home function, so it can recharge and be ready to play when your cat is. Ebo, your cat's new best friend.